cannot be a better way to start the day. But the dogs have now ran off, so I'm now chasing the dogs. Let's go. Where's my little jungle dog? Jungle dog! And guess who has decided to join us at long last? He's being a little bit like a naughty teenager and just being naughty really, hiding from me. I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes everywhere. Got another one here. So definitely time to get out of this place. The rubber farm, for some reason, is mosquito central. So, right, that's another dog walk done. Time to get some breakfast.